Hi, this is Everest Watercolors. Welcome to my classroom. Now today I want to go over my Holbein synthetic brushes that I use in the studio and also in plein air. And these brushes are really great. I'll describe them to you, and also I'll recommend the three that I would use to recommend to a beginner starting out. So let's go to my painting table and I'll show you my description. Now today I want to go over my brushes I use. These are my synthetic brushes from Holbein, which I use in a lot of my paintings in the studio, but also in plein air. And these are available on my website, everestwatercolors.com. So let's go over them very quickly here. This is a 1-inch flat, which I use for skies and large backgrounds, the 1-inch flat. The 3/4 inches were my workhorse. I use this for buildings and trees and other flat surfaces on the landscape. The 1/2 inch is a nice smaller brush for tighter places. It also comes to a nice sharp edge and using the corners of the brush with a flat. Another brush I really like is a number 16 round, which has a large body, it holds lots of paint, and comes to a nice sharp point. Get a lot of detail with that large brush. Another really good brush is a number 6 round. That's good for detail and getting into tighter areas and smaller spots, tree trunks and limbs and little areas that you want to get small pieces. And another one that's a great brush is the number four rigger, which comes to a fine point. Also is good for textures and things like that. Now if I was going to start out with a set of brushes, I would start out with a 3/4 inch flat, the number 6 round, and the number 4 rigger. Those are the three brushes I'd start with. Then I'd add in the 1-inch flat, the 1/2 inch flat, and then the number 16 round. So those are available at my website, everestwatercolors.com.